Hello everyone, welcome back English with English. Once again with great content. I am here with you and where you can learn the things so much amazingly, so perfectly and you will learn today. And today my content is that I'm going to tell you how to write English. How can you boost your internal power of thinking as well as writing? How can you make structure by your mind through writing? This is my today content, and before diving in any kind of content, I will really request you to please hit the bell icon, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share with your friend and family. That donations I expect from your side. So let's dive in my today content of writing. So friend, I will again take example of my life 2 year ago when I was learning English, when I started my journey to speak, to write, to read, and to just listen. How did I started writing to boost my mind, my thinking? How did I do? I struggled a lot to make sentences. Always I was struggling to lot. How can I make sentence? So I was just wondering on social media, YouTube, Google, and Chrome browser, and I asked many teachers as well. They just gave me one thing: just you have to study grammar and practice of writing. But how and when, on which topic I will practice to write? What should I write? How should I write? What the structures which is I can write it? I will write by watching some books, watching some video. That will not work. To how will I do? That was biggest challenge in front of me. I was struggling a lot. I killed my many days and many weeks. So I thought, how will I write my routine? There is also specific things I've got in my life. And I started writing my daily routine on one diary. I bought one diary and I started writing what I do from morning to sleeping, after waking and before sleeping, what I do and how I do, what kind of routine I am following the things. Like the time management is that most valuable things in the world, whether nothing can, nothing can compare. You can't compare anything with time. It's my own experience, my dear. So I started thinking when I wake up 4:30, I go for walk and I come after 1 hour, like after 5:30, and then I do meditations. I just do farming 2 3 hour. With whom I talk, how much I talk, where I talk in English, where I kill my time, when and how much time I get sleep, and how much I study for English, how much I talk in English, how I talk with people. I have learned something new, or just I am living my life and I'm learning English as usual. All the things I started writing in my diary slowly. In beginning, I was making plenty of grammatical mistakes, plenty of problems I've got, but now I do those things so much easily, and my correct sentences is good. And most important thing I have got in my life, I give a lot of time to myself. More than anything, I do not criticize anyone, neither I just get disturbance, nor I get just angry on anyone, because I think why I get angry, why I'm getting disturbed, what the reasons, what I'm getting from it. When you will write all these things, and you will write about talking on phone calls, so you will also feel why you are talking somebody unnecessary. You do not have a lot of energy God haven't given you to just invest your energy with people who don't respect you, or people just who are irrelevant to you. So do the things, I think, in limitation, limitedly. Don't go more and don't flow more without necessary. So I will recommend you, just start writing your daily routine, and where you go, with whom you talk, what you do, what you have to do, what you don't have to do. Write all these steps on one diary. It will take 1 page to 2 pages, but after a month, if you'll do 1 month, I will assure you, your sentence structures, your thinking power, your creativity, your necessary and unnecessary things, relevant and irrelevant people and calls will come under control in your consciousness, in your own mind. And if you will do, you can manage your time as well, where you are killing your time and how you are expending your time as well. It will really, really helpful for you. You can get it by this technique. So if you are a student, so write anything related to your books related to your subject at all. But if you're not studying, you're not going to schools, and you are alone and you want to make your writing strong, so write your daily routine. If you're writing your daily routine, I will really give you a guarantee, you will be wonderful writer, you'll be wonderful speaker, you'll be wonderful people who can memorize the word on time, you'll be wonderful reader as well. And your sentence structures, balancing of your word, of talking, your motivations, your time killings will comes under control, and you will feel that is a way to live your life. So I will highly recommend you to start writing this from now, not today, not tomorrow, not after tomorrow, now, from this morning. And one thing I will tell you, just start writing in union when you're going to sleep. Before sleeping, take a 1 hour or half an hour and write in English. Highly recommended the things. Write your routine in your target language, which is you want to make strong in writing, in speaking, thinking, and reading. Just do every single day. You will only face 10 days, 15 days to make incorrect sentence, to take a lot of time to make sentences. But once you overcome, you will feel wow, like hooray, and you will say, oh, that's amazing strategy. So if you are eager to learn English, so this skill is most important skills, which will boost your consciousness, subconsciousness, and memorizing power, putting the word on your tongue, because writing is one of the skills which makes your strong mind, which makes you confident. For in this content, for now, I will tell you, let's meet tomorrow. But don't forget to hit the bell icon, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share with your friend and family. Let's get finish this content and say to each other goodbye.